Crafty Kids Corner, are you ready to embark on a colorful, imaginative journey filled with creativity and fun? Whether you're a parent looking for exciting activities to engage your little ones or a teacher searching for inspiring projects for your students, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the enchanting world of kids' crafts where imagination knows no bounds. From simple paper crafts to delightful DIY projects, we'll guide you through step-by-step instructions, providing you a blend of entertainment and education for your children. So let's start. Prepare to be mesmerized as we showcase a remarkable creation, a charming flower bucket meticulously crafted using a clever combination of cardboard and vibrant paper flowers. Watch as imagination takes shape, forming an exquisite alphabet design that adds a delightful twist to this artful masterpiece. Get ready to be inspired and discover the endless possibilities of crafting with us. Witness the magical transformation of a simple straw as it undergoes a mesmerizing process of heating over a flame. Watch closely as the straw bends and molds into a trendy rubber band for hair, providing a stylish and eco-friendly alternative to conventional hair accessories. We show you how to craft a beautiful flower using sticks and soft wool. Follow along as we intertwine these simple materials to create a charming and vibrant floral arrangement that will brighten up Unlock the wonder of change as we reveal a novel method for making flower paper. We make gorgeous paper flowers by delicately cutting chart paper into the shape of hands. They offer a sense of refinement to any situation. Watch as the delicate petals come to life, demonstrating this seemingly unlimited possibility of paper making. Discover the artistry and simplicity as we repurpose two ropes to fashion a clever and practical curtain holder. Witness the ingenuity unfold as we demonstrate how a few knots and strategic placement can turn ordinary ropes into a stylish and functional accessory that effortlessly adds character to any curtain. Watch as we use paint to transform basic ice cream sticks into amazing works of art. Watch as we create distinctive and wall decorations with colorful strokes and innovative designs that will bring a touch of individuality to any living space. A brilliant combination of ice cream sticks and wool in a specific pattern. Watch as we join these humble materials to create a stunning decorative piece that exudes charm and creativity. Witness a transformation unfold before your eyes as the wool beautifully accentuates the intricate design on the sticks, resulting in a unique and eye-catching network. Take flight with us as we dive into the world of paper aeroplanes. Join in on the fun as we fold, crease, and shape paper into a high-flying creation. Experience the joy of crafting your very own paper aeroplane, ready to soar through the air and bring excitement to your playful adventures. Discover the artistry of paper folding and assembly as we guide you through the steps to create a personalized functional container for your beloved, color pencils. Watch as ordinary paper is transformed into a stylish and convenient organizer, adding a touch of creativity to your artistic endeavors. Witness the clever use of these everyday materials as we demonstrate how a few simple steps can result in a stunning candle holder. Marvel at the interplay of light and shadows, creating a warm and inviting ambience in any space. Join us in crafting a practical and versatile mobile stand using just paper. Witness the ingenuity of folding and shaping paper to create a stable and adjustable stand for your smartphone or tablet. Let your creativity shine as you design your own unique bookmark, adding a touch of whimsy to your reading adventures.